Very good morning. So, today we are starting our first class on one of the interesting paper in group 2, that is paper 10, cost and management accounting and financial management. See, the word itself a very big subject, but syllabus is not that much big. Okay. So from the name itself, we can able to split. The syllabus is consist of two part. One part is costing, that is extension of your group 1 costing. Sir, I have a doubt. Yes. Sir, I am not studying group 1. I am studying first directly group 2. Is there any problem? No. Our class will come from basics only for group 2. So whether you studied group 1 or not, you can easily follow group 2 cost accounting. But we can say it is an extension. Extension is nothing but means what? Advanced. It is an extension of your group 1 costing. So we will have a basic analysis of costing also. See how the question pattern of the subject. See here we have two subjects, cost and management accounting and financial management. This cost and management accounting, some of the friends may be familiar with your group 1 classes. Those who are doing both groups or those who are doing first time group 2, there may not be able to hear about this costing word. But others generally are very familiar with the cost and management accounting. So here cost and management accounting. First cost accounting. You all know what is meant by cost accounting. It is a process of recording and classifying the cost with the intention of ascertaining the cost of production or providing the service, and also cost control and cost reduction. So that is what cost accounting. That means recording the cost with the intention of ascertainment of cost, also help in cost control and cost reduction. Okay, what is management accounting? See, management accounting is a broad term which uses accounting and costing techniques and principles for useful decision making purpose. So, what role we have to study under this? See here, for your syllabus, you should be very careful. Cost and management accounting is a separate area where it will cover 50 marks. See, this is our intro session. This is our intro session of subject and syllabus. So it is a 50 mark. That means a 50 mark separate. If you study full of costing, you can score maximum of only what? 50 mark, because cost and management accounting is a 50 mark. Going further here, financial management. How this financial management comes? Financial management also another 50 mark. So if you study full of FM also, you can score not even 55. FM will come what? 50 mark. So my dear friends, in this first introduction itself, what I have to highlight you that we have to balance both cost and management accounting and financial management together, so that we can able to get 50-50 approach in both the paper. Then we have to study both together, because if you study full of costing also, you can score only 50 marks. See, the syllabus of cost and management accounting comparing to FM is lesser portion. See, in your group 1 advanced marginal costing, then there is a concept called transfer pricing, then there is a concept called learning curve, then there is a concept called advancement of your intermediate standard costing. So marginal costing and standard costing is a new topic. There is another small called uniform costing also there. So here generally somewhat advancement of your group 1 marginal costing, standard costing, you have a small idea about your group 1. But those friends who are doing both group or doing group 2 first stage, don't worry, we will go with basics only. So dear friends, this is how your cost and management accounting. With this you can score 50. Now cost and management accounting, you might have a small idea. First, before approaching what role there in a financial management, my question: what is mean by financial management? What is mean by financial management? Financial management is in a very walks of life. If you go outside your home, you keep some money in your pocket. That is what is called financial management. You go a restaurant, planning to have a grand dinner, you will keep some amount or a card with you. That is what is called financial management. You go for an admission to a university, you want to make a big amount, you will keep some amount more. That is what financial management. So financial management, generally business perspective we call. That role being an individual for us. Business perspective, two things. First, you should have a fund. That is the first stage. Procurement of fund. That is first stage is called procurement of fund. That means you have to bring the fund. Once you bring the fund, you have to utilize it effectively. So we call financial management is a managerial activity consisting of effective management of fund, that is procurement to utilization. The procurement must be at a lower cost and utilization must be with a higher return. Procurement must be at a lower cost and utilization must be at a higher return. So this is the main mantra of what financial management. One of the interesting area, I don't want to discuss in detail what all the area. We will discuss one by one in our coming classes. We will discuss one by one in our coming classes. See, question pattern also. First 50 mark exclusively for costing. Another 50 mark exclusively for what? FM. You will have MCQs also. Around 12 MCQs are there for each. Some 12 to 15 mark MCQs. So this will consist of filling the blanks, then MCQ. Even true or false sometimes comes. Even match the following sometimes comes. So let me tell. If you properly, regularly watch the video, submit your assignment, and you can freely to ask any doubt to us also, you can minimum score 70 to 85 mark in this subject. So friends are scoring on this subject. So what I am telling now, a nice approach on regular revision is enough for you. So we will provide you weekly 2 or 3 lectures. You can complete as per your convenience. So you can able to complete the classes. Okay. So we are here you for to support you. You have to continuously in the process of learning. Okay. Now we are in e-learning, so we should be enough interest in that. Okay. So let us brief what we have discussed. See, question pattern we have discussed, subject also we have discussed. So the subject, let me end with that. We have 2 paper here, cost accounting paper also there, financial management also there, both having a equal weightage. Okay. So subject in detail we will discuss in the coming classes. Subject in detail we will discuss in the coming classes. You don't worry, we are here you for to support. Wish you all the best. God bless you.